Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm playing Bee Swarm with my mum. You want to say hi, mum?
Hi guys, today is the last day of the Beesmas event in Bee Swarm and we are trying to get as many Beesmas things as we can.
I mean, yeah, she got that right, I think. Anyway guys, yeah, that's exactly what we're trying to do. As you can see, yeah, Bee Bear's still here, so that's great. Like, woohoo, he's still here. Sorry guys, this video, there's no face cam, so yeah, sorry about that guys. Okay, cool. Alright, so what are we going to do first, mum?
Well, you really need to defeat a snowman.
I do need to defeat a snowman, but I need to stay in this field, don't I? I'm in it. I'm currently in it, as the viewers can see.
Okay, so what I would do if I was you, I'd go to the HQ and get ready for a boost and hope that it boosts.
Well, if it doesn't, I can just use a super smoothie, can't I? What does super smoothie even do?
There's like, I don't know about the smoothie, but you can use red extract, you can use blue, you can use bitters.
Oh yeah.
Let's try that.
Hold on, let me just do this funny story stuff. Are we in the same game? Are you currently experiencing this? I'm getting a lot of honey from it. No, I'm just kidding. Vicious Bee is attacking Burgonia. Let's see.
Right.
What does super smoothie?
My quest is to defeat.
Cool. I'm just gonna go to the HQ and hope it, you know.
Yeah, so do that, then go up the little ladder, and then do the, I don't know what you call it. For being part of the pole, you get to get stuff, don't you? And there's also a code you can use.
What's it called?
Winter's End, the one word.
How do you find that out?
It's just on the screen you looked down.
Okay. Oh wow, it worked! I got juniper boost. I've got a spider and pine tree boost.
Try the red one, see if you get.
Try the actual red thing. Okay. Let's go strawberry field.
That's okay, go up again. Go up the little ladder, remember there's a.
Buckabee up there.
Not as far as Buckabee, it's just a dispenser that
Not
dispenses
Buckabee.
something good for you.
Oh yeah, that is up. Yeah, dispenses strawberries, and you must have used it recently because I have to wait 38 minutes, and I'm certainly not going to do a 38-minute long video. And by the way, guys, you see the 35? I don't have enough to go there, as you can see right now. But, guys, I have a way where you can see into the 35. Just jump up here. You have to make sure you don't go too far in, otherwise you'll get sent back because they thought it through. Or you can go up here and have a look, and you can see the coconut field. They got coconut, nut is a giant nut. Yes, it's very hard. Anyway, yeah, guys, that's how you can see into the 35 when you don't have 35 bees. But can't get too far in. Or you can't really get in.
I need to defeat a king beetle.
I need to...
You need to defeat a snow bear. Do you want me to help you quickly?
Yeah, because I suck at it.
Actually, let's go to Onett and see if he'll give us some.
Hold on, let me just see if I can level my favourite, my Diamond Bee, up to LVL 10. LVL 10. I don't really have any treats, I don't think. I have 1,000 treats again. And then I'll give him all of my sunflower seeds. Just check. Are we still recording? Yes. Give him all my strawberries. I'll give him all my pineapples. I'm hoping that it's soon gonna say level up. I'll go for the neon berries. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll give him yeah guys, look at all this. So I can make a stubborn bee, a rage bee, shocked bee. I can make a bumblebee, and then there's just real glue. Right, my Diamond Bee is the only Diamond Bee is the only bee that's on level 9. Strawberry is boosted, so it has that weird thing. Oh, Polar Bear Spooky Stew is ready to turn in. Why, is that a good task? Yeah, it's still something. It's not gonna like not give me any honey at all. Hopefully. Imagine. I don't really listen to the dialogue, guys. I hope you're not mad at me for that. It's just like, you're boring. You're boring, Polar Bear. Let's see if I got any new badges. No badges to turn, or to earn, not to turn in, to earn. You know there's such thing as a gifted mythic egg? Oh, what's it look like? Let's see it. Well, let's see it. You don't have any. You don't have a king beetle anymore. So did the newest one give you an answer?
It says receive.
Oh, it's there. Sorry, I'm blind. I think it's just the same, Mum. New King Beetle amulet. I need it. Hold on. I think I've showed you guys how to do the King Beetle. But in a second. Okay, yeah. I'm just gonna get the bees. Oh crap, Wombo Chick's here. I can go in the 30, guys, but I just can't go in the 35. Ooh, wait, what? Oh. And how is this a lid? I don't quite get that. I've gandered at what? Is it a lid? And if it's actually like a, lid, then what a random thing. I think I can buy boosts actually. Yeah, you can buy boosts. But it costs an extreme amount of, honey. Costs a massive, giganticus amount of money, which I don't know about you, but I'm not willing to spend. I'm on 66 mil. You ready to do LVL 5? Nope, no one's here. Right, 3, 2, 1. Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Like I just did. Yo, this guy's gonna kill me. I just did a good dodge. Wait, he's at level 10. You never told me he was at level 10. I'm still alive. Literally just run around and collect the tokens. I died! It's so laggy! Make sure he doesn't melt. I swear, if he melts, I'm probably gonna cry. I did it! Let's go! I did it!
Oh my gosh, so you completed your task with those things?
Yes! Yes! Let's go! Let's see what your next task is. Imagine if it's like subdue the Snow Bear 2. Snowflake Feast. Let me just see inbox. This, I'll say I don't really need that. The electric candle, I'll keep the Beesmas top. The scarf. Snowflake Feast. I've already done 2 of them, which is deliver 3 presents and equip 4 bleep quicks. Bee quicks in your hive. I've got quite a bit. Match 3 pairs in memory match games. Crap. Feed 25 blueberries. I just did that. Collect 100 snowflake tokens. I think you can help me with that one, Mum. I'll just feed all of these blueberries to Diamond Bee. I'll feed all of these pineapples. I'll feed all of these strawberries. Collect 250,000 points from the planet. Should actually be quite easy. That honestly sounds like a brown bear task. Yo, did a sprout just think? Oh, I actually guessed it. Yo, someone did goo. Blue flower. Oh, they just did. It just stopped. It's the pro seller. All my gifts are in the air. Real thanks. Thanks a lot. Real thanks. Real. Yeah, but I can't be bothered. I hate mantises in this game. In real life. I have to get 100 snowflakes. So good. I wonder if I can straight up summon a level 7. And I really want to get my diamond bee to level 10. Yeah, but I hate doing that. I hate that so much. No, don't! Do that later. Okay. Give me 1 second. Give me un second. I just want to do some tasks. Yeah, someone's flipping coconuts. Okay, whatever, summon it. Are you doing a snowstorm or a snow machine? Yeah, I think there's a difference. Because I think snowstorms are natural. And then, like the snow machine is like, no. Oh, I think they're all appearing here. That's one thing I hate. I absolutely hate about snowflakes. Alright, that was a massive waste of time. That did practically nothing. Let's see, I have 530. Oh, okay. I think I know what to do. If I use this, it's quite good. It gives me quite a bit of honey. Not really that much. Give it 5,000. Yeah, that means one. Okay. Do I even have to catch the bees sprites anymore?
Unless you've got a specific task.
Not really. Jesus. I have to do some. I have to kill some mantises. 90. Oh! Do you know 2 mantis locations and one that's not the pineapple field?
Yes, the pine tree forest.
Yeah, but 2 locations. One with 2 and one with 1.
Yeah.
What?
Pineapple and pine tree.
Yeah, but I said other than Oh, 19 out of 20. My music bee is now level 7. Wait, what? I had a level 6? Okay, that just sucks. Good point! I think it was! Yeah, by the way, I think there's a guiding star in the coconut field. Yeah, but go check it out. It's literally just a flying star. That's really lovely. These technology. I don't have a. Don't have a drink. Yo, what's the family final? Oh yeah. Valley Beach Honey Day candles. I can use a red extract to boost. Yeah.
Yeah, and use glue.
What does red extract and do?
They just make it so you get them.
Right, let's check. First of all, let me check what they do. Fries. What about a super smoothie? Don't think so. Typical drink. No. You said oil as well. No, that's just move speed. That's just move speed. Oh, pollen from bees and tools. Glitter boosts the field. Yes. For 15 minutes and then red. I'll use glitter. I think I might actually use glitter. Glitter and red extract. You literally use everything. Now I have. Right, there we go. All three have been used. Hopefully. Really helpful. I used 2 more red extracts and blue. Alright, 14 minutes. 14 minutes to get this done. I need moon charms as well to level up. You have to sell me one now, because I need moon charms. Huh? Well, just try and find. What? Did you find one? Where? I have to stay in this stupid field. Yeah, it's really great time to summon honey. Whether they tell me that. Good day. I honestly hate timers. I'm always like either something's permanent or just no. It's not very good. Imagine they just fled. They're like, see ya. I think I just caught all these this time. I guess it can't. No, it makes no sense. Someone from all the way over there to get here. Hellish ornament thing. In this field, lights drop. Quite frequently, and it happened quite frequently. have 12 minutes. I'm very, very far away. I'm like
26 or something last time.
28. 28 mil. I should probably stop the video. Yeah, guys. I'll show you guys the tunnel bear and hope I can do it.
At least you didn't move it.
Yeah, now that's off my mind. But I have all these crazy boosts and yeah. Alright. Anyway, ignoring the boost because I'm a big dumb, I'm gonna go and fight Snow Bear. Not Snow Bear. Alright guys, I'm gonna do the tunnel bit and then I might stop the video, guys. So this is the last thing, but I might do some off-camera work because it's like I heard, guys, that if you go to the wall, you actually you pull him to the wall. Stinger. And if you don't go very far, my mum actually managed to beat it, so she's giving me the tip of don't go very fast and don't go far away from him, otherwise the beast won't attack. Come on, attack! Attack him! He's about to kill me! He's actually about to kill me. He's down a quarter health. I'm halfway. I'm 3/4 there. He's almost down to half. I even used Stinger. Come on, come on! Please. Please, bees. Do it for me's. Me's. Please, bees. Me's. Bees, I won't feed you treats if you don't defeat him. I'm at the end. I died.
So close. How low was his health?
5,000 or something.
Darn.
Right, guys.
As the bees get stronger, I think we'll be able to.
That's all for today, guys. See you guys in another vid. Bye.